Hi, my name is Ryan Brandis. I'd like to welcome you to the DeLorean Mac Mini Podcast, Volume 5. I know it's been an awful long time since I've talked to you guys last, but we've been busy. This is the 2015 Electric DeLorean. It's still in prototype, but we're hoping to get it ready for DCS 2008 in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Let me show you how it works. In late 2007, Brand Muffin Industries acquired a truly remarkable vehicle, the first all-electric DeLorean ever constructed. Built by the Tilley Foundation in 2005, the Tilley DeLorean was a sleek and sporty, zero-emission vehicle, but it was by no means up to date with the latest technology. Using the same lead-acid battery technology that has been common in electric vehicles since the 1970s, Tilley's DeLorean lacked any usable storage space. It had no comprehensive battery monitoring or management system. Some of the gauges on the dashboard were not even hooked up. Many parts that interacted with the internal combustion engine were still intact, though the engine had been removed. Thus, an effort was undertaken to both restore and modernize the car. After months of electrical work, interior redesign, custom circuit engineering and construction, and the removal of over 200 individual parts from the engine and relay compartments, the 2015 DeLorean was nearly ready for its first test run. All it needed was 45 lithium-ion batteries from China. The United States does not manufacture the large-scale lithium-ion batteries required by electric vehicles. Instead of a gas tank and internal combustion engine, we use 45 Thunder Sky lithium iron phosphate batteries, each with a nominal voltage of 3.3 volts. They're connected in series for a pack voltage of 156 volts at 40 amp hours. This provides for about 30 minutes of driving time, and you never have to visit a gas station. An electric vehicle is elegant and simple, non-polluting and straightforward. The heart of an electric vehicle is its motor controller. The motor controller takes the electrical energy from the battery pack and pulses it onto the motor thousands of times every second. This FB4001 motor was originally installed by Tilley and adapted to the DeLorean automatic transmission. The movement of the throttle pedal under the driver's foot is converted into an electrical signal that tells the motor controller how much energy to give to the motor. This is comparable to the way the gas pedal tells the DeLorean fuel injection how much gasoline to give to the PRV engine. The rear pontoons, which normally are wasted space, are a great place to house the motor contactor relays that enable and disable the drivetrain. The positive contactor relay is on the driver's side, and the negative is on the passenger side. For safety purposes, additional contactors split the battery pack into 3 50-volt packs when the car is turned off. An electric vehicle requires virtually no maintenance. This means no oil changes, no radiator flushes, no more broken alternator belts, faulty water pumps, oil pumps, fuel pumps, leaky oil seals, leaky exhaust manifolds or valve timing adjustments, and so on. Now, you still have the washer fluid bottle and keeping air in your tires, but other than that, it's very little maintenance. Instead, recharging is as simple as plugging into a standard AC power outlet. A custom relay board detects when the car is plugged in and engages or disengages the electrical contactors as necessary. A pair of custom green LEDs also informs the driver if the system is active. The 2015 DeLorean weighs a full 500 pounds less than a stock DeLorean. The 2015 DeLorean also includes some unique amenities not found in other electric vehicles or stock DeLoreans. It has substantial storage space in the front bonnet, as well as a compartment specifically designed to store the car's rear tire in case of a flat. The batteries in the 2015 DeLorean are estimated to last well over 100,000 miles with minimum maintenance. They should still be going strong where most combustion engine vehicles would give out. Much of the 2015 DeLorean's unique design centers around its batteries, which are on the cutting edge of today's energy storage technology. Compared to traditional lead-acid cells, lithium-ion batteries store the same amount of energy in half the weight and half the volume, thus providing additional trunk space in the vehicle while reducing the vehicle's weight considerably. Now, even though lithium weighs a lot less than lead acid, it still has some heft to it. So, we built these custom fiberglass cages so that you can easily pick up and move a 24-volt lithium pack with the minimum of hassle and fuss. To ensure proper charging of its lithium-ion cells, the car features 2 charging modes. First, the Zyvan gross charger refills about 70% of the charge energy in about 2 hours. Then the patent-pending Brand Muffin Industries Castle battery management system takes over to give the batteries the individual attention and balancing they need to function most efficiently and prolong their life. The Castle battery management system does not use shunts or waste energy like other battery chargers on the market. This makes the car less costly to recharge than other electric vehicles and prevents overcharging and undercharging. The 2015 DeLorean is about more than just drivetrain improvements. The interior of the 2015 DeLorean has been redone to highlight the sporty and futuristic nature of the car. The interior features silver highlights and custom black vinyl work in place of the standard gray carpet. Perhaps the most striking feature of the 2015 DeLorean's interior is the custom video dashboard display, showing the car's energy consumption in real time. The driver can see the car's efficiency and understand how many amps the motor draws under different driving conditions. The brain box that drives the video display is a custom circuit board mounted where the engine computer used to be, behind the driver's seat. Though the 2015 DeLorean is up and running, development of its systems is sure to continue well into the future, with possible refinements to the video display and the implementation of other luxury features.
I will put in full-size power windows in this car soon.
And I will put wings aloft so I can open my doors with my phone.
Yep.
I hope you've enjoyed our brief presentation, and keep tuning in to the DeLorean Mac Mini podcast as the 2015 DeLorean rides into the future.